ProMach is a family of packaging solution brands serving manufacturers in the food, beverage, pharmaceutical, personal care, household and industrial goods industries. With facilities and offices around the globe, ProMach designs, manufactures, integrates and supports the most advanced packaging solutions in the world. The company's pharma division includes NJM Packaging, its latest brand Pharmaworks, and Weiler labeling systems. NJM has been the world's proven, trusted, single-source provider of automated packaging machinery for over 100 years. We offer standalone and turnkey integrated solutions for packagers in the pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical, vitamin, nutraceutical, and personal care industries. NJM, as seasoned professionals, will direct your project from design through aftermarket service. Pharmaworks manufactures blister packaging systems for the pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, medical consumer goods, and contract packaging industries, with a robust line of thermoforming solutions ranging from standalone machines to turnkey blister packaging lines. Pharmaworks offers unmatched precision to meet the strictest requirements. Weiler Labeling Systems manufactures sophisticated, high-speed rotary and inline labeling machines, from coding, serialization, and label digital printing solutions for bottles, vials, syringes, and auto-injector devices. WLS serves the pharmaceutical and medical device packaging markets, food and beverage, personal care, and consumer markets. ProMach is headquartered near Cincinnati, Ohio, with manufacturing facilities and offices throughout North America, Europe, South America, and Asia. For more information about ProMach, visit promachbuild.com.